All right, you'll get to the Clever website and it'll look like this. You will want to click on the blue C. That just saved my information, but you will type in your child's student ID number for the username and the password. Once you get logged on to the Clever website, you will be able to see something like this. Right here, you can see I'm using Jonathan, so you'll see your name on the top. Down here, you will see different things. Not everyone's going to see this one, but some people will. What you really need to check for is MyOn. That's where you can go to read lots and lots of books. They'll read them to you. It's excellent. I encourage you to use it each week. Once you get inside MyOn, you can see lots of information. For example, right here, this over here on this side will show you the book that you last opened. In case you didn't get a chance to finish it, you'll have the chance to finish it. It will show you how many pages you have read and how long you spent reading. So this student read 39 pages for 29 minutes. Up here will show you the whole month, or you could click on week. So this shows that last month, this student read 258 minutes. This month so far, they've read 2 hours and 20 minutes. They've read 2 complete books, 216 pages. So these books are definitely bigger, like chapter books that this student is reading. But I did pull up some younger books that more kindergarten level would read. You just click on read and then start the book. And then you could press play right down here.
Little Lizard's New Shoes by Melinda Melton Crow. Illustrated by Andy Rowland.
Over to the side, you'll see there are a lot of different tools. You can try and play around with those, but you don't need to. Just click on the arrow.
This is Dad Lizard. This is Mom Lizard. This is Gary Lizard.
You can see that the sentence that the book is on lights up and the words as it reads highlights. It's good for students to be following along and watching those. Let's check it again on the next page.
Oh no, said Gary. Look at my shoes. You need some new shoes, said Mom. Oh boy, said Gary.
So students can follow along and read the words. That is great, but they can also just listen and try to watch the words. So maybe it'll help them recognize words more. At the end, there are sometimes an assessment, a little quiz. It's okay if they can't get all the answers right. It's just a check for comprehension, but it might be difficult for them to actually read the questions. And it's okay if they get them all wrong. The most important part is for students to practice seeing books being read and even trying to read them. So I'm going to exit out of this for right now. And you can see down here, I could put see more. And there are tons and tons of books that you can read. You can just click on the arrow and it'll keep going and going and going. All right, there are thousands of books on this. There's a lot of them that will show up because of interest that this student was reading. These are some other books that are similar to other books that this student has read. Here's some new books that recently were added. Popular books for this grade level. This is not kindergarten though. All right, I hope everyone logs in at least 3 times a week and works on this for about 20 minutes each time. That would be very helpful.